In this video, we'll show you how to install mods for Minecraft Java Edition on PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Mods can add amazing new features, items, and mechanics to Minecraft. Installing them is pretty easy once you know the steps. First, you need to find the mods you want to install. You can go to curseforge.com, and when you're here, you can click on Minecraft or hover up and select Minecraft. Now, as you can see, there is many mods you can download and install here. You can click on Browse All and scroll down until you find the mods you want to download. So for this example, I'll use the search bar and search for Alex Mobs. When you find the mod you want to download, just click on it, and here you can read through the description and check if the mod you want to download requires any other mod to work. So for example, the mod that I want to download requires Citadel to work, so I have to download this as well. Before we continue with the installation, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring the video. If you're looking to play Minecraft with your friends, Apex Hosting makes setting up your own server incredibly easy. They offer features like DDoS protection to keep your server safe and online, ultra low latency for a great playing experience, instant setup, and 24/7 service and support, meaning help is available whenever you need it. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, go and check them out. Link in the description and comment. Alright, to download it, you can go to Files, and here look for the game version that matches the Minecraft you want to play and use the Forge mod loaders. So it's gonna be this for me. So what you can do is click the three dots here and select download file. Save it somewhere in your PC and the download will start. And as I said, this mods that I want to install requires other mods to work. So I'll just go ahead and download this, pick the correct game version, and also using Forge as the mod loaders. And now that we have the mods to install, the next step is to download the mod loader. In this case, we'll use Forge because Minecraft doesn't support mods by default. You need a program like Forge to act as a bridge, allowing the game to load and use the mods you download. So you can go ahead and search Minecraft Forge on Google and go to the official website. Now here on the left, select the same Minecraft version you download the mods for. So for me, it's gonna be 121, and then click the installer button. You'll go to an ad page, wait for the skip button to appear in the top right, and click on that. And then you can download it and save it on your PC. Now you have the mods you want to install and also the Forge installer. It's all in a jar extension, so you'll need to install Java to open it. You can go to java.com, and here just click on download Java for desktop and simply download the latest version and install it on your PC. After installing Java, you can now open the jar extension. So now let's first install Forge. Right click on it, open with, and select Java to open it up. Now if you still cannot open it correctly, you may need to run a program called jarfix to fix it. You can go to this website here and download it. Now here, select install client and then click OK. Wait for it to finish installing. After it's done, click OK. And now let's install the mods. Now to do that, you need to find the correct Minecraft folder to put the mod files into. To find the folder, you can restart Minecraft launcher, and here go to the installation tab, look for Forge, and on the right, click on the folder icon to open the installation folder. Here, look for a folder named mods, and if you cannot find it, just create a new folder and name it mods. So let's open it up. And now to install the mods, you can simply put the mods you just downloaded into the mods folder. So let's go ahead and do that, and that's done. The mods is successfully installed. Now you can open up Minecraft launcher again, and on the bottom left of the play tab, click on the drop down and select Forge profile, and you can click play. Confirm that you understand the risks of playing modded Minecraft, check if you do, and click on play again. Minecraft will start up with Forge. Now if you install everything correctly, you can go to the mods button on the main menu, and you'll see a list of mods that's been installed on your Minecraft. As you can see, I have a tiger and a grizzly bear here in my Minecraft world. These are just two of the many animals that Alex Mobs adds.